Today we're going to dive into something really special. I don't know if you know, but recently was diagnosed with diabetes. And so we're going back on the keto diet or the diabetes diet, which is the high fat, high protein, low carbs. And so we're going to dive into several different products today that I am quite excited about. Today we're going to be looking at the Grassland Beef US Wellness Meats. It says their animals eat right, so you can too. The box comes in dry ice to keep it cold in delivery. And on the top it tells you that it is perishable. It's covered with biodegradable wrapping so that you keep it cold inside. You get a nice little brochure of what they carry, what the weight is, and what it runs. Also, they have a delivery schedule in here, so you can go ahead and see whenever you order it when it should be shipped. So they have the pork, they have the beef, they have condiments, bison, wild-caught seafood, grass-fed lamb. They have pasture-raised poultry. Look what we have here wrapped on top. More wrapping to keep it cool. Everything's packaged nicely, and you see that it's still frosty inside. Thick ice blocks, and they're still frozen solid to make sure that it comes to you fresh. Pasture-raised poultry, rabbit, snacks. They also have instructions inside that it contains dry ice and how you need to have it delivered, thawed, and cooked. So today we went ahead and got some of their dried goods as well as some of their ground meats. We do want to try a lot of their other stuff in the future, but we are going to be having a hamburger taste test challenge as well as a jerky taste test challenge. Super excited about this because on their farms where they raise these animals, they actually raise, process, and sell the entire animal, so nothing goes to waste. On the website, you actually have the ability to buy all the parts of the animal from head to toe, and so nothing is wasted and everything is grass-fed. For our burger challenge, we're also going to be trying the ground pork, and these already come in patties, the ground pork patties. We're going to try the ground beef. Now, what I love about this for the keto diet, they actually have the 55% lean and 45% fat. So we can go ahead and try that. It's higher fat. And remember, when you're on the keto diet or the diabetes high fat, high protein diet, you need to have more fat intake when you're doing it. So they actually have various selections of ground meats, but they also, for the keto and the paleo, they have the high fat ground meats. We're also going to be trying ground lamb high fat, and this is going to be the first time that I ever had lamb burgers. Now, I'll tell you what, I love lamb. I love rack of lamb, and lamb is actually one of my favorite meats, and so I'm very interested and excited to try the ground lamb. And then we're also going to go ahead and try our ground bison. So we're going to have bison burgers, pork burgers, beef burgers, and of course, lamb burgers. We wanted to get the dried meats and the ground meats is to go ahead and taste a little variety. But, you know, we have the ability to go ahead and try these and save them at a later time because it's really hard to find snack foods when you are on the keto diet. So we're really excited about this today. We are going to have the uncured turkey jerky. We're going to have the bison jerky. This is the whole muscle bison strips. We're going to try the regular pemmican, the salt-free pemmican, and the Paleo Choice original meat stick that is a beef meat stick. So thank you for joining me on the Grassland Beef unboxing for the US Wellness Meats. We're going to be diving into a whole series of taste tests on this. Super excited about them, but I love the packaging. I love how everything is air sealed, vacuum sealed, so it's ready to go ahead and last a long time if you're not able to eat it immediately. And it also saves space when they send it. So really excited to go ahead and try these out. And I don't know if you know, but pemmican is pretty amazing. We love making our own pemmican, but we're pretty excited that we can go ahead and try this one. So join us on the journey of our grass-fed beef and U.S. wellness meats. Super excited. I love how they package it. I love how it's fresh. I love how they use the whole animal. And now we're gonna do some tasting.